Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this French cooking term. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting and delicious food names from France too, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is a type of vegetable cut. How do you say it? Macedoine. Macedoine. In French, for reference, in France it is said as Macedoine, Macedoine. Therefore, in English it is usually pronounced as Macedoine, Macedoine. Pretty straightforward. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.